Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. And today I'm going to show you a tutorial.
Nice.
And this tutorial made by the case that I find out on our community, especially it's coming from Hillary. And I was wondering that she said that I've watched about 500 videos and followed the instructions that were given, it just won't work. And she originally uploaded the image to CANVA as PNG and blah blah and so on, and mixed with open both Word and PowerPoint, and then bringing back to CANVA, it just won't work and so on. Well, the point is she's going to make custom shapes with transparent background, but it doesn't work. This is so sad to hear about this. Actually, this one, it can be done in CANVA with a little trick, and I did mine as well. So as you can see, I get this old element in CANVA and I try to create, and this one can be done in CANVA by the power of magic grab. Okay, so this application is coming from CANVA, they provide for us. So this is really great and absolutely excellent applications that I used here more often. And well, this one can be done CANVA, so you don't need to use PowerPoint or other parties. So 100% done in CANVA. So I make some, different transparent background over here without using other parties. So all this one is single element that I got it from CANVA, as you can see here. And I try to make a different transparent background, and with from the scratch, and different shapes or elements that I got it from CANVA. So I do believe that after watching this tutorial, yes, you can do it. Before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siu Sarma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali.
Nice.
Yes, the place that you are going to visit soon, don't you? I hope so. Alright, and here I would like to introduce you all the elements that I use here. Actually, I just use two elements to make this happen. And the first one is curly bracket frame vector. So this is the tools that I use it here. The elements that I use here. That's the first one, and the second one is square. Where can I get this one? All these I got it from Element. Yeah, the one that I mentioned, curly bracket frame vector, I got it from Element, and as well as from Element. So you just click Element and you get shapes, and this shape is really amazing because this one you can pull and you can cross over, and yeah, you can edit anyway. Even though the color can change, the color become a gradient color or solid color and whatever color you want. So this one is really absolutely amazing. And even though you can get this border weight and corner rounding, so this is beautiful. And you can even erase this color over here by clicking this, right? And you get a transparent with here border weight. All right, you can make it thick or thinner, and it's easy for you later on when you try. Okay, so now the color that I use here is white color, square shapes here, and I adjust it, and the color of this element over here must be the same color with this, the number one and number 3 must be the same color, and I suggest you to use white color. If you use other colors, it might not work. The second one here is, as you can see, the square shapes that I copy paste from here, and I resize it and I make it smaller, and I change the color. So this one must be different color, so to make this transparent over here. Now after we get all these things in here, so copy all of them and bring it to a new pages, paste over this new page. Right after you got all these things, before I download it, I would like to let you know that this is all single element. Okay, now we need to group it, all of them. Just click it and group to download it by click share, download, and make sure you change the format, become PNG, and all this button all the way forward, and you can choose transparent background, don't forget it, and click this one and current page. So current page will help you to download it, the current page. So click done, and after that download it. So guys, I'm not going to proceed there because I have mine already in my library. So open other page, another color, grab the image that I've downloaded. Now I will just put here, put it back, and let's see. Just click edit photo and let's see how the magic grab working right now. Okay, as you can see that here, right away it gives me a transparent background, and this is the background that exactly I did it and exactly like what you asked for. I hope that this tutorial will help those who are not yet familiar how to make this custom shapes transparent. As you can see, I made here already, and I do believe that you can do it after watching this tutorial. So guys, this is the secret and how to make this transparent. And remember, do these things in the right position, and if you follow this one, I do believe that you can make it. If you would like to change the color of these transparent background later on, you just click edit image and proceed to do a tone. Any kind of options of here, you just click it and you click this highlight and change the white color and change the other one again in white color. So right away it will change the color, and then after that click. Now I got a new color here. So it's up to you guys how would you like, but if you want to change, you can just proceed to do a tone. So I'm done guys. Yours is just the beginning. It's so easy, right? So you don't have to use PowerPoint, you don't have to use other applications to make it this transparent. So everything is done in Canva, and I hope you can do it after watching this tutorial. Guys, I think that's all for today. If you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support this channel. But if you don't want to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to do it. You just keep watching and share to your friends who need about it. Alright, so see you again for the next tutorial. Bye bye.